my YouTube family, how are you? Hope all are good. Today I came up with a very healthy recipe made up of beetroot, carrot and tomato as main ingredients. Have a look on the ingredients that I have used in this recipe. Let's start the process. Friends, first take 3 carrots as shown, 2 tomatoes, 1 beetroot. These are the 2 cloves of garlic, ginger, turmeric powder and black pepper. This is sugar. You can use jaggery powder also or the brown sugar. Now first I am grating this cloves and the ginger. Once you have grated the cloves and ginger, then you have to cut the vegetables, carrot, beetroot and tomatoes. Okay, first wash all the vegetables and chop all the vegetables safely. Friends, these vegetables which I am using in this recipe, carrot, beetroot and tomatoes, these all are very healthy for our body to stay fit and also for our glowing skin. So you can use it in the morning snacks or the evening snacks as well. Okay. Friends, once all the vegetables are chopped nicely, now let's start the process. You have to take a pressure cooker and on the gas flame. After that, add the oil or ghee, whatever you have. I have added 1 tablespoon of ghee in it. Just check when the ghee is warm or hot. Then you have to add the grated cloves and ginger in it. I am adding the cloves and ginger in it. Okay, for the ingredients you can check out the starting of my video. There I have added the list of the ingredients. Once these are cooked, now we have to add the vegetables in it. This is a simple and a healthy soup recipe. Do try this. Just add the tomatoes in it. Once these are cooked, now you can add 1 pinch of salt or 1 tablespoon of salt as you required, and the turmeric and the black pepper in it. Okay, now add the beetroot and carrots. After mixing the tomatoes. These are the chopped beetroot and the carrots I'm adding in it. That's it. Now the last thing what you have to do is to add the water. Take 1 glass of water and then add it in. If required, you can add more water. I have added half of the glass more in it. That's it. Mix it well. And now close the cooker lid and wait for 4 whistles at least. Okay, you have to wait for 4 whistles at least and just go for the very healthy recipe. See friends, I am done with the 4 whistles and this is the output. What you have to do is next is take a jar, mixture jar, and just you have to make a puree of these vegetables. That's it, nothing else. Just see the process how I am doing. Friends, for a better taste you can add the cumin powder or the jeera powder in it. I have taken half tablespoon of jeera powder and added in this and just grind to make a puree of these vegetables. When this is done, now take out the puree from the jar. Friends, if you don't have this kind of jar, then you can sieve the soup as well, or you can filter it to get a smooth soup texture like this. Now you can add the jaggery powder or you can add the brown sugar in it. Just mix it well and your soup is ready. See the texture of this soup. This is looking yummy as well as a healthy recipe soup. For the final output, just take a transparent glass and put this hot soup in it. See, this is done. And now add some of the coriander leaves on it and serve this to your family and friends and relatives. Then this is the final output. See, if you like the recipe and you enjoyed watching this, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the updates immediately. Do like, share with your friends. Thank you friends, thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.